Hello, today we will guide you through how to sell Pi on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll move from opening the platform to sending a sell order from within a Pi, keeping everything clear and simple so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening Trading 212 in your browser or app. Once the platform loads, look for the Pi icon in the navigation. This takes you to your Pis, which are collections of investments grouped under one strategy. A Pi helps you allocate money across several stocks or ETFs with target weights. So when you sell something inside it, you're reducing that specific holding within the Pi. Choose the Pi you want to work with and open it. Inside the Pi, head to the Holdings section. This view lists every stock or ETF currently in that Pi, along with quantities and current values. It's the best place to confirm exactly what you own before you sell. Select the specific holding you intend to sell, for example, a well-known company like Apple. Opening the holding gives you a detailed view with the option to sell. Click Sell to begin the order. Now enter the amount you want to sell. You can type a value that reflects how much of this holding you'd like to convert back to cash. Take a moment to check your available quantity so you don't try to sell more than you hold, and be mindful that market conditions can cause the executed price to differ slightly from what you see on screen. When the amount looks right, click Review Order. This is your confirmation page. Carefully check the symbol, the amount, and the estimated price. If any fees, limits, or special notes apply, they will be shown here. If the market is closed, you may see that the order will queue for the next session. It's a good habit to verify all details now, so the order executes exactly as you intend. If everything checks out, click Send Sell Order. The platform will submit your instruction to the market. Once executed, the proceeds are returned to your account balance associated with the Pi. Keep in mind that selling inside a Pi can move your actual weights away from your targets, so your allocation may look different afterward. That's it. You've navigated to your Pi, reviewed your holdings, chosen a specific investment, and successfully submitted a sell order. If you're following along for the first time, take it slow, confirm each detail on the review screen, and you'll be in full control of your sell from start to finish. This guide is for educational purposes only. Happy investing.